T-Mobile primarily uses carrier-grade network address translation, or CGNAT, for its home internet services to conserve IPv4 addresses. This means you're behind a shared public IP, preventing traditional port forwarding. Standard router methods like port forwarding and DMZ don't work natively. This CGNAT setup creates a double NAT situation, with your router's private IP behind T-Mobile's shared public IP. This blocks inbound connections and complicates hosting services. The optional port forwarding beta feature, available via the T-Mobile Connect app for select 5G home internet customers, is a limited workaround allowing up to 10 ports to be forwarded. While T-Mobile is expanding IPv6 support, it's not widespread enough to completely bypass CGNAT for most users as of late 2025. IPv4 address exhaustion drives the need for CGNAT, and IPv6 adoption is the long-term solution. Since direct port forwarding isn't usually possible, here are some common workarounds. First, you can use VPN-based tunneling, where you set up a VPN server to create a secure tunnel. Examples include WireGuard and Zero-Tier, allowing remote access without direct port forwarding. Second, explore reverse tunneling or cloud services like ngrok or Tailscale, which create outbound tunnels to expose local services via a public URL. Be aware that the free version may have rate limits. Finally, consider T-Mobile's business internet plans, which offer static IPs and bypass CGNAT for an extra monthly fee. This enables true port forwarding. Be aware that using workarounds may expose devices to risks if not configured properly, so experts recommend using firewalls and VPNs for security.